everyone. Hello everyone. So I know I did not upload any video since a long time. Today I came with a how to make guide for this set. I got it from a shop and I'm already done unboxing it. So I'll just get out some parts and we'll start. And today I'll also show you how to make the satellites and rockets. So first thing, we will be making the RH-75. You need to find this piece and this piece. And then you see this hole and this hole. You just put it over here. Our first thing is ready. Our rocket is ready. Now we'll make the map for it. Oh, I forgot to make the map. We first make the map and keep it aside. So it's a two-sided map, so you can choose which side you want. This side is more informative. I'll take this side, this part, and then this part. Join it, and then above that, join this part. And then after that, you take this gigantic part and put it here. Done. And then take the moon and wait. Oh, we forgot a few pieces. We take this piece and we put it over here. See, this piece, and on the right side, the larger hole. Take this piece, flip it like that, and then put it on the smaller side. Take the moon, flip it like that, and keep it on the base. Take the Mars and keep it on the base. Now we will fix these parts. I need to find all of them. Yeah, all of them are here. First we take this square thing. You put the light blue part on the top and you stuff it and you put it in the place where RH-75 is written. Then you take the hexagonal piece and put it where Aryabhatta is written. It has to be on a cross. Like this. Then you take this piece and put it at the place where SLV3 is written. I'll be back in a minute. So, we take this piece and put it in the place where PSLV is written. Put it there. This one is a little tricky to place, so it might take some time. Then take this piece and keep it where GSLV is written. All of them should be in the light colored side. So this is how our map looks after we're done. Then let's start with the rocket. Keep aside this, and I already taught you how to make the RH-75. Keep the smallest rocket where at the lowest point, where 10 kilometers is written on the lower right side. Then let's go with the first satellite, Aryabhatta. You take these two pieces from the panel type thing in which Aryabhatta is written. Keep them here. And then take these pieces which have a tab in the bottom. You see this thing? I'll show you one without the tab. Yeah, this does not have a tab. Look at the bottom of them. See? Take 4 of these pieces, the tabbed ones. 1, 2. There's a tab piece. Yes, this piece, and then another tab piece, this piece. You take tabbed pieces, keep them in alternate slots. Like you put one tab piece in these two, and then you leave this spot. And keep it on the spot after that, like here. Then you leave that spot and keep it in the spot which is here. And then you take the other. Then you keep it on the leave a spot and then keep it again. Then you take the remaining 4 pieces which are untabbed and then you put them in the empty slots. This is India's first satellite, Aryabhata, launched in 1975 by a Russian rocket Soyuz. Now we'll go to the first satellite launching rocket of India. You see this piece, SLV3, tiny one. Take this. You take this piece. Wait, let me find those pieces. Then this piece, yeah. You take this piece from the part in which PSLV and SLV is. This piece, and this piece. Let's start. Take the SLV rod. No, take these 2 pieces and put them together like this. Next, slide down the tube of it like this, and then you put the upper part and then another part. Make sure that this part has a opening in the top so that this part can go inside. And our SLV3 is ready. You keep it in the place where SLV3 is written. It was made in its first successful launch was in 1980. Now we'll go with a mission which is PSLV. You take the long red piece. Okay, these stickers will be pasted on the last. I've already made it once, so I pasted it. I opened it once. Take this piece. I have put tape over here because like when I put the top part and I lift it up, the whole thing breaks. So I put a tape over here. Then firstly you take this piece which has a hole in the bottom. Take this piece which does not have a hole in the bottom and which has a hole in the top, a big one. You put the big hole in, you put this piece over here and then it's done. You slide down the tube and then you put the fairing. You need these 2 pieces for the fairing. This is called a fairing as like it protects the satellite from the heat and all. The fairing, these 2 pieces are kept inside each other. See, this piece and then this piece, you put them inside and then you put it in the rocket. And then if your rocket also breaks when you lift it, you can tape it like that. The taping is on your own, is your choice. When you're done with this thing, you take these 4 pieces, boosters. You have 4 of like these and you put each of them in one slot. Voila, I'm done. Now we just have to put it on the place where PSLV is written. The first successful launch of this rocket was in 1994. Then you take the pieces of Chandrayaan 1. See, all of the Chandrayaan 1 pieces will have a moon symbol on them. So you collect all of the pieces which have a moon symbol on them. This is a Chandrayaan 1. No, this is not a Chandrayaan 1 piece. So to start, you take this piece. You slide it in from the middle hole. Done. Then you take this piece and then you slide it from this side. Yeah, and then you take this piece, the same piece, and slide it from the front. Then you take this. No, that was actually wrong. You put this piece which has a little tab type thing on the bottom and slide it over here. Then use the other one over there and then oopsie, it is a little loose. Then take the pieces which I first removed and then put it over there. And then you put it over there. Then you take this solar panel which is a square one and then you put it in this piece. Done. And then you put it on the place where Chandrayaan 1 is written. and there are 2 holes. Done. And then we go to Mangalyan. All the Mangalyan pieces have a triangular symbol on them. So firstly you take this piece, which I can't remember. So like I can't remember it, I'll try to make it quickly. Where did I keep it? It was made in these many pieces. So I think, yeah, I figured it out. You take this piece, and then you like put it over here. Then you take, wait, there's only one piece like this. Yeah, there's only one piece like this. You take this one and put it here. And then you put this piece over here. Then you take the other piece. I have something important to do. I'll come later in part 2.